Yeah, welcome to Read Check. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to create a FedEx tracking delivering site. So as you can see, look at the site, the FedEx tracking site. You can see the live chat just pop up. So this is the admin. This is the admin. This is where you do your shipment. So look at all the shipment. So I will teach you guys how to create shipment now. So to do that, you click on add new shipment. So you can, the tracking code can be anything. So for now, let's just do FedEx 123450. So you put the shipper details. The shipper details, that is the person that is sending the parcel. So after you put the shipper details, you put the email. So after doing that, you put the receiver details. So after that, you put the shipment details. This is the box, quantity, total flight. So just make sure you feed the shipping details properly. Origin, departure time, destination. So this is just an example. Pickup date, delivery time date. Comment, let's put processing. So packages, you can add packages, you can add the quantity, the piece type, the description, if it's a box, or the length, the width, the height, everything. So once you are done, click on category and click on the date and location. So we are going to put Chicago as our location. Status, remarks, processing. Click on publish. So click on publish. So this is the FedEx number. So let's try and track our parcel. Click on track and trace. Impute the consignment number. Click on track results. You see the details. You can see the details. This is the map tracking. If you want to track the parcel, remember we put our tracking location as Chicago. So this is the map in case you want to track your parcel. In case the user want to track his our parcel. So as you can see, the live chat just pop up. So let me teach you how this live chat work. For example, I'll click I want to track my order. This is their welcome message. So let me log in the live chat now. My name is Frank J. Let me log in. So this is the live chat section. Let me accept the chat. You can see from Frank J. I want to track my order. So you just have to reply. Let's reply okay. So let's go back to the site. Please, what's your tracking number? So let's go back to the site and see if the message deliver. As you can see the live chat message. As a user, let me copy this FedEx. Let me give you my FedEx tracking number. So let's go back to the live chat. You can see. Okay. I'm looking into it. Hold on. So as you can see, this is the live chat review, the feedback. You can give the customer support a positive or negative review. So let me just say good support. Send. So as you can see, the live chat is working. So the next step is to print out the Waybill and the receipt. To do that, click on all shipments. Click on all shipment. This is our tracking number. Then click on invoice. you can see the invoice from FedEx. So you can decide to print or screenshot. So let's print. You can print it out. If you have a printer on your system, you can print it out or anyhow. So let's go back to Waybill. All shipments, click on Waybill. You see the Waybill details. So the sender, the shipper, the time, the location, everything here. You can also decide to print it out if you have a printing machine or not. So this is how you create a FedEx tracking website. Note this website is for educational purpose only. It's for educational purpose only. So if you need the script, I will put a description below where you can get the script. If you also want to build the sites, you can also message the link below. So I can help you create it, or you buy the scripts and do it yourself. So this is the site, you can see FedEx. Please subscribe and like. Bye.